Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, today's video.
We are back guys. Yeah,
It's one of
everything
those,
is crashing.
I told you so video.
It's I told you so video guys, and we've been preaching
Yeah.
on the internet. We've been having these talks guys, because the stock is crashing.
Bitcoin is crashing.
Banks,
They're bailing out with your money.
yes, they're bailing themselves in guys with your money, because when you go to the bank and ask for your money, good luck.
Yeah, it's too late for that now.
It's too late for that guys. Now you cannot get your money out of the banking system, because now they want to pay themselves in, and we've been preaching for quite some time.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can check our previous videos.
Oh, and another thing, the government is not bailing out banks.
No.
It's not bailing out banks. What they will use something called bail-in.
Yeah, why will they bail them out? Because they want to introduce their own CBDC. Yeah, so that's why they're not bailing the
It really
bank.
doesn't make sense for them to do it, guys, because the narrative is just to introduce the CBDC.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there is this thing called bail-in.
They're trying.
The bail-in, guys, it's when the bank uses your money to bail themselves out. So they're calling it bail-in, guys.
Yeah.
So whenever you have money in a bank, they will use it to avoid bankruptcy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys, Nasdaq. Let's start with the Nasdaq that freaked everyone out. It was down, I think, about 6-7%. So it just freaked everyone out, guys. Everybody was terrified, saying, "Wow, why? Oh, Nasdaq, guys." Yeah. So it is down, and we mentioned that
In our previous video, July it's gonna be another month.
July,
Yeah.
it's gonna be a blood on the streets.
Yeah.
We mentioned that.
Yeah.
Just roll the clip to the time when we mentioned that July is going to be a bad month. Let's just roll the clip to that time, guys.
Let's see.
Yeah, so guys, just be aware, in July, guys, there will really be a collapse, a big collapse in the market in history.
Yeah.
In July. That's what we predict.
That's what it's coming. Yeah.
That July will really be a collapse.
That's what is coming.
That's what it's coming, guys. And we spoke about the Trump assassination attempt.
Let's see.
Yeah, and Microsoft, guys, is also down.
Almost all those famous companies.
Yes, they're all
stocks are down.
Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple.
Tesla.
Apple is really the worst. It's about 9% down. Tesla as well, 5%.
Yeah.
Guys, it's really blood on the streets, and we mentioned that July.
So
watch out for July.
What do you think is the best thing to do in this time?
Yeah, what is the best thing to do?
Buy this.
Silver and gold, guys. Silver and gold. Silver has proven, gold has proven it's not so bad. It has proven that it's a store of
value.
Guys. You can store your cash here. It will be safe.
Yeah.
Just, guys, not financial advice or anything. Just put your money into something like this, guys. Get your money out of the bank. This is not financial advice. We're just having a talk.
We're talking on the internet.
Guys. Take your money out and put it into something like this.
Go seek advice to their professionals.
If you're looking for financial advice, we're just having a talk here, guys. We're not financial advice, but I would say out of the bank, into this, guys. You won't worry yourself much about the crashes. And gold seems to be proving itself. That it is really a store of value, guys. It's really proving itself, and we've been talking about that for quite some time now.
And I think I did say in our previous videos that gold and silver love these crashes. So whenever there's crashes, it's pick itself up. So you better go buy because it's gonna go up also.
Yes. Just roll the clip on that as well, where we mention that these silver and gold love crashes.
That's silver and gold. Most of the time, they like especially the pandemics that are happening. Whenever there's bad things or pandemic or diseases, they take that opportunity to go high.
Yeah, they start dancing on the streets. You find them dancing
That's
there.
True.
How they dance?
That's
They
true.
dance all the way up to all the way up, guys, on the graph. That is how they celebrate. So
So you must buy.
Yes. Yeah, guys. So it's really holding itself, silver and gold, and we think that many people are gonna go to silver and gold, and because it's a lot of panic.
Yeah.
Blood on the streets. I've just mentioned it is blood on the streets.
And it's gonna go
Up.
up.
The only way one direction. It will be now like demand and supply.
Yeah.
It's gonna fall onto that demand and supply, guys, and silver and gold will be on demand because everybody will be trying to put all their fiat onto silver and gold, as we've been talking about that for quite some time in this channel.
This is your own bank.
This is your own bank. This is your store of value, guys. Your money is safe here and in gold as well, in precious metal in general. Yeah, we've been mentioning that on most of our videos, guys. We just hate to say roll the clip, but roll the clip. Just roll the clip to that part where we mentioned that.
Welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanaticcio.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, guys. We just came with a message.
Yeah, more like an awareness.
Yeah, an awareness. We couldn't hold it to ourselves, guys. But it's simple. Get your money out of the banking system.
They're not safe.
They are not safe, guys. Most of them are.
If they're still there.
Yeah, most of them are declaring bankrupts, and people are losing money in the banks. All sorts of things are happening with the banks. Worst things that you can even think of are happening at the banks, guys. So get your money out while you still can.
Yeah.
While you still can, guys.
It's better to keep it in the precious metals.
Keep it here. That is why I brought this closer, this beautiful coin. So you will know where to keep it. Better to keep it here than at the bank, guys. Yeah, Full Chop ASE.
Yes, our favorite.
Our favorite. Keep it here, guys. Guys. So what you see, as we mentioned, that banks also don't have money themselves. They want to bail themselves in with what you do your money. So when you go to the bank now, you won't find your cash because they really want to bail themselves in using your money. So how do you expect them to give you your cash if themselves are also in trouble? They don't have
your money.
Yeah. So they're also struggling. They don't have money themselves. So guys, then the reason I'm saying that banks don't have money, you yourself, you don't have money. You can be fooled by those numbers.
On the app.
By those numbers you see on your app.
It's just numbers.
Guys, it's just numbers. It's
Saji used to
just
say,
numbers.
If you don't hold it,
If you don't hold it,
you
you don't own it.
So same as
If you
mine.
if you don't hold your fiat, you don't own it. So
same as gold and silver.
Same.
Not the paper, silver and gold.
No. If you hold paper, silver and gold,
you don't own it.
Hard luck. We feel sorry for you as well. We've been talking about that as well. The paper, silver. Yes, guys. The numbers that you really see on your app is just numbers. It's not money. Yeah, it's just numbers on the app. You don't have that money because the bank doesn't have. They just see give you numbers on your phone, on your laptop.
And you go tap and tap with that number. It's just using numbers.
Yeah.
Even the tapping machine, the system.
It's just numbers.
Yeah.
Not real money, guys.
Yes.
It's just transacting numbers. That's all. You see 10 million, whatever million. It's just numbers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Today's video was just about that, the crash that is happening, and our last point. We mentioned that once it's in the news,
too late.
It's too late.
Yeah.
Once it's in the news, guys,
just know
it is too late. Just know that it is really too late once it's in the news.
Yeah.
So yeah, and there's something that kept us curious.
In South Africa.
Yeah, in South Africa. They want us to tap onto our pension funds. And we've been finding that very strange. Why? All of a sudden? Because they never think of you.
Never. They only think about themselves and their family. It's a human nature.
Yeah, it's human nature. Yeah. So now we really understand why.
To bail them in.
To bail themselves as well, guys. Because when you tap into those funds, I don't know if you've heard about South Africa two-pot system that they're introducing. If you haven't heard about it, it's gonna take us long to explain it. But it's basically tapping into your pension fund, the one that you only get when you retire.
Yeah, if you want us to talk about more, comment below. Comment below.
We'll explain more about this pensions fund, because you don't have access to it until you reach your 65 or your 60, the time to retire. That's the only time you get access to it.
Yeah, it's a bit tricky.
Yeah, it's a bit complex, guys. So if you want us to talk about it more, leave in a comment below. So now they've allowed us to tap into a portion of it.
Yeah.
And
every yearly.
Yeah, every year now you're gonna tap to a certain portion, to a certain contribution, and we've been asking ourselves, what is the reason? Now we know why. Because they want to tax,
and they emphasize that one. It's so much that it's gonna be taxed.
Yeah, it's going to be taxed.
Yeah.
Then you must not come and rave and say,
you want your money
in full. You don't want it. You want it back into your pension. No, you must tap into it knowing that it's going to be taxed, and government live with our tax. So now it makes perfect sense why.
But who's wanna bail, who's out?
It's not them bailing us, it's us bailing them.
Yes.
And they act like they're thinking about us.
Yeah.
Hey, human nature. Yeah, guys, if you want to know more about this two-pot system, comment below. We'll talk more about it. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Financial advisors.
Let's put it out there.
We are talking on the internet.
We're just having a conversation here on the internet, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching our video and subscribing.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just don't wanna come here and just talk about one and the same thing. Yeah. So that's why maybe you find that sometimes we don't
post videos
regularly.
So,
but now it's starting to be exciting again. Things are happening, guys.
Yeah. That's why we're talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saj always says keep your eyes open.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.